Good morning, 7th graders. We are going to do reasoning and solving equations part 2 today. We're still going to use that hanger method that we used yesterday, so I hope you understood it. Otherwise, you should have emailed me, and you can still email me now. For our warm-up this morning, I want you to select all expressions equivalent to 2 parentheses x plus 3 and parentheses. I want you to make sure you're using your distributive property. There is a total of 3 answers to this. Okay? Hit pause, and when you are all warmed up, we can move on. Back to our lovely hangers. We are going to explain why either of these equations could be represented by this hanger. So, if we look, both are by 14. We have 14 on each side. Now, there is 2x and there's 2 3's. We know that 3 plus 3 is 6, and we know that x plus x is 2x. The first equation over here, it is a distributive property. For example, the 2 times, whoa, go away. The 2 times the x and the 2 times the 3. 2x plus 6. Please make sure you understand this concept and can explain it. Now, please find what x is equal to, and as you have just explained, you can use either one of these equations to do that. Please take your time. When you're ready, hit play again. For this last part of our problem, we are going to use our lovely balanced hangers again. So, make sure you look and you see each one. You see how this is there's an x and a 5, and both of those equal 16. Same with this one, and this one. So if we look down at these equations, it said assign one of these equations to each hanger. We have this first one. If we look at it, we have 2x plus 5 equals 16. Now, these circles indicate a pairing. If you look, x plus 5. There's 2x plus 5's, thus 2 parentheses x plus 5 and parentheses equals 16. And remember, the hanger line right here, these lines are the equal sign. For example, this one, the equal sign 16 is on the right of the equal sign. Same with this one. For the last two, the equal sign, the 2.8, is on the left of the equal sign. Please remember that. Solve or pair up each one of those hangers. And then for this next question, please explain how to figure out the weight of a piece labeled with a letter by reasoning with the diagram. Please only think about what these diagrams represent and how you could solve for the unknown number. For the last section, please use the equation. Please solve for the unknown. Both ways, you should figure out which x, z, y, and w equals to. As always, please read the summary so that you are prepared for Monday. As always, you have a quiz on Thursday in math. I hope you enjoy your weekend. I will talk to you later.